Understanding top shelf or well in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English vocabulary, particularly used in bars and restaurants. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases top shelf and well. These terms are commonly used but can be confusing for English learners. So, let's get started and decode these phrases together. When you hear someone say, top shelf, in a bar, they're referring to high-quality, often expensive, liquor that is literally kept on the top shelf of the bar. This placement is both a mark of quality and a display tactic. Top-shelf liquors are typically well-known brands with a reputation for excellence and are often ordered for special occasions. They are considered superior in taste and quality. For example, if someone orders a top-shelf whiskey, they are asking for a premium, high-quality whiskey. On the other hand, well refers to the selection of liquors that are more affordable and of standard quality. These are usually kept in the bartender's, an easily accessible area of the bar. Well liquors are used in mixed drinks or cocktails where the specific flavor of the liquor is less noticeable. They are also known as house liquors or rail liquors. Ordering a well drink usually means you're getting a cocktail made with these more budget-friendly spirits. Now that you know the meanings, how do you use these terms when ordering at a bar? If you prefer a drink made with high-quality alcohol, you might say, "I'll have a top-shelf gin and tonic, please." This indicates that you want the bartender to use premium gin. Conversely, if you're not particular about the brand and prefer a more economical option, you might say, "I'll have a well vodka martini." This lets the bartender know to use the standard vodka available in the well. Understanding these terms can enhance your English vocabulary, especially in social settings like bars and restaurants. Remember, top shelf is all about high quality and prestige, while well is about affordability and standard options. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language skills, especially when you're enjoying a night out. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.